Okay, wait. Webcam problems. Alright, is that better? No. Hold up. Alrighty, alright. Is that better? Am I that good? Okay, alright. Gonna put that down here so you can see. So we got some advertisements. We have Getting on the Mixed Up Fun by Lunchables. Or we got Get Robux. What's this say? Get Robux and customize your character. We also have another ad. And it's called Recording. What up? Recording. Get it. Recording. Okay, let's just get started. I'm going to have to use my voice because plugged in my microphone. The sound actually has to come from my mouth. I cannot use my microphone because it is in here, so I can only hear myself. You cannot hear me through this microphone. Well, it's actually not all I'm saying. Alright. Well, it says that I can hit the record button to record, but I'm already recording. Computers. Alright. I put it somewhere where it won't be such. What's it? Alright, I'm back. You know what it is. Alright, Phantom Forces. Sniping key. One sec. Be right back. I really just gotta go and get the lighting fixed. So bye. See you in a second. Where's my earbuds still? Buds, not bugs. One sec. Okay. Whoa. Chair turner right there. Yeah. Look at that beautiful team right there. While I get these set up, look at the beautiful team. That's what it is. What is up? Hi, I'm back. Whatever that says, daily case. Where we are, okay, I'm gonna move the webcam. Okay, highway lot. Pot, not hot, pot, tot, cot. You know, you get the point. You get the point. Okay. Why? Me. I should say. Not why. It is. Oui. Something. I said. What I like to call accuracy. Should get it sometime. Roasted, direct. Exactly, that's what I thought. Yeah, I know. Alright, let's make this dangerous. Name's on fleek today. Eh? It's a baller. Alright, any bad guys that think they can survive while I'm here? Hey, yeah, I guess I'll across this post, which is super dangerous, and I die. So, yeah. But we're gonna do it anyway because I'm a person, so, yeah. Persons, yes. What I said. And you did, sucker. Okay. That's what I call a nice miss right there. That was beautiful. No. Dead. That guy right there? Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. Come on. Don't hide. No reason to hide. You're just right there. Did you just get... Yeah, he got knocked. Okay. Fortnite has canceled. Did he get? Where are the bad guys? They're just chilling somewhere. Got onto the story. Honestly, there you go. I got a good arm. Oh, right there. Right on the bridge right there. Swirl with it. Okay, forget it. Alright, this is a shotgun thing, alright? I know these places like a boss, and I know a shotgun place when I see it. Okay, that is not a shotgun. What the? Alright, that's beautiful. Why do I not have a shotgun? Did I not just say I wanted a shotgun? Give me a shotgun. Who told you not to give me a shotgun? Thank you. Thank you. Back to loadout. Come on. Come on. Trying to join the... I don't know. What is it? It is a team deathmatch, and we are losing. So we gotta get outside. If you're a big baller. Big boss. Wow. Okay, then. I think we're gonna stick to what I'm good at. Okay. Nope, that's not actually. You think I could? Hey, hey, I like, I ask you. Okay, I think I can. Now we just gotta get to the top of a place and start using our shooting skills. No, start using the shooting. No, just one person gotta use the shooting skills that they don't have. Let's get to that. Pretty good strategy if I say so myself. They put ladders in the best places. I thought you were gonna be a bad guy. Obviously. That was juicy right there. That was a very clean shot. That was very clean. Honestly, I thought this was craps. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That scared me. Alright, that scared me. Scare me. Gee, scare me. What? What's the... Wait, what? Wait. Hold up, wait. What? Alright. Come on. Alright, it's fine. Where am I looking? Okay. You just got a few shots popped. Not to me, though, right? Because I'm a bad person at the game, and you don't want to shoot me because I'm a noob, and if you shoot a noob, you are a noob. Everybody knows that. Get with it. Thank you. Cheers! I mean, what century are you from? The 19th? Hey, me too. Just kidding. This, false story. Where were you? How's that fair? Did he just shoot me through a box? This kid just shot me through a box. Anyway, I do not have the gun I wanted. What is this even called? No. What is that? I don't know. Why would you ask me what that is? No, I don't want to stay for either. What are you doing? Do I want an LMG? Do I want a battle rifle? Why don't you ask me? Jeez. Why don't you ask me? What's a carbine? I don't know. Why you asking me? I don't know. DMR, what is this stuff? PDW? Okay. No. support. Let's go LMG because it makes me happy. And then we need the short one. The short one. The short one. Yes. Let's. Is that what we're looking for? It is. It's what we're looking for. That we are not looking for anymore because we already found it. Hey, big boss. Get in the window. Wow. Swerve. G, my G. Alright, mate. Alright, mate. That was good, mate. Alright, we're still losing, mate. Alright then. Okay. It's a dead guy right here. Oh, no, he's on the team. Lag. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Gosh. Stop it! Why are you shooting me? What did I ever do to you? Honestly, I don't even have a kill. Actually, yeah, I do. What am I talking about? How many kills do I have? I don't know. Why is this place made out of sand? Who thought of that idea? I don't like you. Die. Okay. I'm trying to climb up a ladder. Don't kill me. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Where are you? I'm trying to shoot you. Where'd you go? Who are we shooting at? Okay. Oh, I see you. Get hooded, sucker. Come on, buddy. Am I just bad at the game? Is that how it is? Am I just bad at aiming? I feel like that's how it works. Alright, let's make sure there's no cousins behind us. Let's get up there because I feel like it's safe. And when I feel like it's safe, it's not, right? I don't understand how people don't die. Okay. Let's get a clap for that one. I'm sorry I wasn't talking. I was very concentrated. Or I was concentrating, I should say, because that makes sense. Unlike every other single thing I just said. Run, jump, do whatever, go. Okay, am I safe? Swerve, get down. Poopy. Ah, dude, why'd you do that? What's your problem? What did I ever do to you? Exactly. Sorry. Usually I talk a lot, but now it's more of a concentration. Wow, that guy almost cooked me. Almost ate me for dinner. Where am I going? Chill out. I see baby. They asked for it. Honestly. Did I not just... Somebody kill me. Do it. Someone kill me. Right now. Get. Kill. No, don't. What are you doing? You gotta get wrecked. I'm here for you. Hey, kill me, dude. Shoot.